Hey everyone! Today I'm doing my last project before Christmas, and it is a winter-inspired diorama. You can find the template under the video, but for this project you will need some colored paper, but I prefer to use hand-painted watercolor paper just because it gives it a bit more texture. I want to point out that certain things are missing from the template. For instance, the snow on the windows or the windowsills, just because when I was working on it, I kept adding things and I didn't pre-plan it. So it's just tiny little embellishments that I kept adding. So you could really add your own spin to it. You could add little shutters to the windows and just make it completely your own kind of version of this. I would suggest using tracing paper for the more finicky elements and the smaller elements, just so you don't have to cut the same thing 2 times. This part is really optional, but I feel like if you paint a bit of a drop shadow here and there, it really adds to the depth of diorama. So I just add a bit under the tree branches and the edges of the snow. So to give it more depth, I'm just using balsa wood, but you could also use some scrap paper, or the double-sided sticky foam pads is also a good option. I decided to add a bit of a smoke coming from the chimney. So I'm using paper vellum, I think it's called. It's basically the transparent tracing paper that they sell at the art store. So this is where I kind of messed up. I thought I bought the same Ikea frame that I used for the previous Halloween project, and it turns out this one is bigger because apparently Ikea didn't have the small one, so I just grabbed this one thinking it was the smaller one. Anyways, it works fine. I just couldn't use the inside mat board, so I just cut out a piece of watercolor paper and put it inside. Actually, no, it wasn't watercolor paper. I just used mixed media paper because it's much cheaper than watercolor paper. Anyways, I did a bottom layer and then a top layer. So the top frame is kind of flush with the diorama and it looks much nicer. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I just want to say happy Christmas and happy winter holidays. Also, I just want to say thank you for everyone that's been watching my videos. It really means a lot, and I will see you in the next video.